Dear, I fear we're facing a problem. You love me no longer, I know, and maybe there is nothing that I can do to make you do. Mama tells me I shouldn't bother, that I ought to stick to another girl, a girl that surely deserves me, but I think you do. So I cry, I pray and I beg, love me, just say that you love me. Fool me, go on and fool me. Love me, pretend that you love me. Leave me, just say that you need me.
1、2、3。
Love me, just say that you love me. Leave me, just say that you need me. I can't care about anything, but lately I have desperately pondered, spent my nights awake, and I wonder what I could have done in another way to make you stay. Reason will not lead to solution. I will end up lost in